Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and since today is National Lipstick Day, I decided to show all of you my nude lipstick collection, and it's right here in this pouch. So by nude, I don't mean only very light lip shades, but the ones that go with every outfit and look good on me too. So let's get started. The first one is this, which I'm wearing right now. This one is by Nykaa, and this is the Royal Honey lipstick, and it's really nice. It's very creamy. You can see the shade right here, and if your wheatish or your skin color matches mine, then I'm sure this one will look absolutely pretty on you. Nykaa always comes up with great stuff, and this one in particular is really nice because it's not really expensive. I don't remember, but I will link down all the products for you so you can check them out. So moving on to the next lipstick is this one by Maybelline. It is their lip gradation by Color Sensational, and this too looks very pretty. This is a lighter shade of this one, and I will just show you how it looks on me. So here it is. It looks nice, but you know what, if you don't have makeup on, then this can be a little dull. So but it is pretty nice for that college or office look. Also, these lipsticks, the lip gradation ones, have like perfect precision. The tip right here, it gives you the feel of a liquid lipstick. Like the liquid lipstick, you can apply very precisely, and I think in the creamy shades, this one does the work. So you can go for this one as well. I have a lot of these ones, and I am also planning to do a video on the whole collection. So let me know if you want to see that. Moving on to the next one. This one by Matte Me. This is almost over, but I just love it. Sorry, I forgot to tell you the shade of the previous one. It is Mauve 1. And now this one. This is Matte Me AZ32 Rich Coffee. So I'll show you this one as well. So here it is. It is a little orangey, and I love that. It absolutely looks gorgeous with black and blue as well. Yeah. So I think you can get confused because all the shades are almost the same, and seeing them all at once can really confuse you. So I will try to attach photos of these lipsticks, like the ones when I had previously worn them with different outfits, and then maybe you can figure out which one is which, and you can decide accordingly. So yeah, this is a thumbs up. I just love this one, and now let's go on to the next one. So guys, I was removing this lipstick with coconut oil, and I just realized how pretty it looks as glossy also. So it is originally matte, but you can also make it glossy by putting in any gloss over it, or maybe Vaseline, or maybe oil, and you will have an absolutely different look. Guys, so the next one is this by MAC, and this is in shade Media, and I absolutely love this one, but it is almost over. I mean, I couldn't even apply properly right now, you can see, but this was just to give you an idea of the color. And actually this shade has been discontinued right now, but I guess Nykaa has a similar shade in their mini collection, so I will try that out, and till then you just enjoy this video. I think this is absolutely nice, and it looks very nice with all the outfits. So guys, here's the next one, and this is on the rosier side. This is by Barry M, and the color is BLS 01, This looks really nice and is matching well with my blush. Also guys, do let me know if you like this purple eyeshadow. I think it's looking really pretty. The next one I'm going to apply is this one by Urban Color, and the shade is Pouty Pink. Okay, so the name is pink, but it is not really pink. It is like a mauvish brownish shade, and it looks really nice. This also goes with every outfit and is very creamy, very easy to apply. You can, with this one, you can glam up your lips really quickly. Guys, my tissue is actually becoming a shade card. Just see how smooth it is. It is actually gliding through my lips. I think my lips look really pretty in this one. Guys, please do not forget to tell me which lipstick did you like the most, and also tell me which one suited me the best. Now I am going to apply this mini lipstick by Huda Beauty in the shade Trendsetter. And this one, trust me guys, these are actually good. It's not that, you know, I'm saying that all lipsticks are good. No, I told you that the Maybelline one looks a little dull when applied on a no makeup face. Okay, and this one which I showed you by Barry M, this is not very smooth, right? But this one is really smooth. And now this one, this shade is very pretty, and it is in liquid, so it came in this pretty box. Yeah, it's really cute, I know. And there were actually 3 lipsticks in this one right here, and another one of the size, which is a pink shimmery shade, and also a lip pencil of this shade. So I'll show you how this one looks. Just see how the color is coming. It's again on the tangier side, but I absolutely love it. Guys, again, just see the precision. I came back from the mirror just to show you this. Perfect application in one go, and this smells heavenly, trust me. I feel like eating it. My god, this is so pretty. I won't be able to take it off. It's true that I don't want to remove this one, but the another one and the last lipstick we have is a master stroke, you guys. This is not really nude. This is in a brown shade, and in fact a dark brown shade, but I absolutely adore this one, and one looks really classy and hot at the same time. I'll just show you. Warning guys, this lipstick is not for eating, but to just apply and get clicked. Yes. What do you think of this one? I am loving this shade on me. You know, there was a time when we used to think that only you know, pinks and reds will make us look good, but no, over a period of time I have realized how elegant and decent these colors look. So guys, that was my nude lipstick collection. Do let me know for sure how did you like it, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram and check my interesting stories and reel on lipstick day. Also, do not forget to like the video and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Till then, bye. Happy National Lipstick Day.